Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a fog light. First, gather your essential tools, including a flathead screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is turned off and has cooled down before you begin any work. For your safety, park your vehicle on a level surface and firmly engage the parking brake. To access the fog light, begin by turning your front wheels fully to the side. This provides much better access to the fender well. Next, carefully remove a few screws or clips that hold the fender liner in place. Once these are out, gently pull back the fender liner to reveal the fog light assembly behind the bumper. Now it's time to replace the bulb. Twist the old fog light bulb counterclockwise to release it from its housing. Be gentle as you carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb. Then, connect your new bulb to the electrical harness and insert it into the fog light housing, ensuring a snug fit. To finish up, secure the new fog light bulb by twisting it clockwise until it locks firmly into place. Carefully reattach the fender liner, making sure all screws and clips are put back. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new fog light to confirm it functions correctly before you hit the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.